Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is super dry and we need to restore some moisture back into this hair. But before we get into that, I want to talk about how I'll be in Tampa, Florida, September the 28th at the 5th annual Fabulously Unique Natural Hair and Beauty Expo. We're talking everything from wellness and beauty presented by Alikay Naturals. So I'll be a part of the blogger panel, also doing a meet and greet and doing a workshop on how to do a proper twist out using the Alikay Naturals products. So not only will I be a part of the blogger chat panel, but I'll be alongside some other amazing influencers. There'll be tons of guest speakers and vendors. This is a great networking event and also going to be a lot of fun and definitely fabulous. So I really cannot wait to be touching down in Tampa, Florida. Get your tickets now at FABU.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below and I'll see y'all soon. So in honor of the 5th annual Fabulously Unique Natural Hair and Beauty Expo, I'm going to be using Alikay Naturals products. I had these twists in for about 2.5 weeks and was ready to take them out. I started with misting my hair with water first and then using the lemongrass leave-in conditioner, which is very moisturizing, and I really needed to restore the moisture back into my hair. From there, we're going to use the Shea Yogurt hair moisturizer, and I'm just going to work this throughout my entire head, working from root to tip. This is really going to help to make sure as I'm taking these twists down that I don't really have a lot of frizz going on. This is also going to help with manageability and soften this hair up. Now time for the Shine Glaze hair glosser. You guys know that anytime that I'm taking my twist down, perma sets down, I always make sure I have oil on my hands because this really helps to make sure that my hair is not frizzy and to make sure that these ends are intact. Now that my hair is super moisturized, you can opt to wear your hair like this, or if you're like me, you can put it up into a puff and make it really cute and put some bangs in the front. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And this part is pretty easy. I'm just gonna take a little edge control and some gel to kind of tame this hair and lay the edges down a little bit and just put that into a ponytail. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take a pick and just kind of fluff at the roots a little bit more to kind of give it a little bit more oomph. And voila, we're done. We're moisturized. We took these twists out after 2 weeks. So if you want to skip wash day after your twist, I think this is a cute style to try. And until next time, queens, I hope I see you pretty soon in Tampa, Florida at the FABU Natural Hair Expo.